Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to deploy application using IIS7 and let's open the IIS. And what you want to do is you want to create a new website for our application. I'm going to put the name Web1 for this application. And for physical path, I guess we need to create the folders we will put our application. So I'll just go down to the C drive. I'll use this www folder, although you can create it in the www root. In fact, let's create it over here. It doesn't matter where it is located, you can choose a path. I create an application called, I created a folder called web1, and then I'll create another folder called web2, and let's create another one called web3. So what we want to do is we want to go back here, and in fact let's specify the folder for our application. I'm going to use web1 for the web1 application. And we're going to use host headers, so I'm going to use web1 or www.web1.com for example, and I'm going to click OK, and it is not started. We'll figure it out later. Let's create another one called web2, and the physical path for that application will be in inet pub folder, www root, and web2, and I'm gonna call it www.web2.com, and I'm gonna create another one, web3, and for that one we're gonna use the folder called web3. I'm gonna call it www.web3.com. Okay, so let's go in the folder and put some application in there. In fact, let's create a page. Maybe we can call that page index, and I'm gonna call it HTML, and I'm gonna change the extension to HTML, and let's edit it with Notepad. I'm gonna create HTML. I'm gonna say each header, and then I'm gonna say this is this is application web1, and then I'm gonna close heading, and then I'm gonna close the word. I'm gonna just copy it for the next one, copy it and save it. Close it. Let's open it here. That's right. So let's deploy this application. So basically it is really easy to deploy the application in web1. I'm gonna just have to copy the file in here. Let's go to web2. In fact, I can just create the file right here so that I don't have to move. I'm gonna say index and HTML, change it, and I'm gonna use Notepad to edit it, and I'm gonna say 2, and because let's save this file, and in fact I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna say new text document index HTML, and let's open and edit it. I'm going to use notepad. I'm going to say 3. So now we have 3 applications. Let's go in here. Web 2. I think to make it a little faster, where is it? The default document. I'm not bringing that index HTML up. The list order will be changed for this field. You can imagine print level no longer print. Yes. So I want to move it up, and then for this one I also want to move it up. Again same error, and in here I want to change the default want to move it up so it can open faster. Let's see the application pools. We can see the application pools are created when we created the application. So let's see what's going on, why this is not running. So I'm gonna just restart it, and I'm gonna just restart it. Okay, so now we have 3 applications. I'm gonna just refresh it here. Now we want to see if it is working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just check the IP address. So the IP address is 192.168.1.28. So since we don't have our DNS server, I'm gonna just go to my host file on my Mac. So I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna go to okay. I basically have to get into have the super user to modify the host file. So remember the IP address is 1.28. So I'm gonna go here and in that file I'm gonna just go here and basically I'm gonna let's mark it 28 and 28. Let's change it to www.web1.com, and we're gonna change this